Hello everyone, this is Viviana Diaz. I'm on this Moodle for Teachers Evo 19 page, and we are trying to complete a task for week 2. The first one, which is here. A tutorial trying to explain what are some of the resources available in the TPA, which is our practice area. So let's go to that section, and this is our teacher practice area. I have been enrolled and given topic 1. So first of all, what I have to do is to click on here, which I'm already in it, and let's do the first things, which is turn editing on. I'm already on.